So let's start with the curry paste, which is so simple. A dried shrimp, okay, which I'm going to blitz in my coffee grinder just because it's faster. And that is white pepper. So this curry, it is spicy, but from pepper rather than from chilies. I'm gonna add all of my curry paste in here. My broth has been simmering for a few minutes. I'm gonna add now some fish sauce to season. I'm gonna add first my kabocha squash. So it's been 2 minutes, then the rest of my vegetables will go in. So now protein. I'm gonna add some shrimp, which is typical and classic, but you can do chicken definitely. I got ginormous shrimp today. This, what I like to do is make a little rice soup bowl. So I'm just gonna ladle this right onto my rice. Yes. What a unique flavor.